Why learn about microphones? At the heart of any recording, no matter what the instrument, no matter what the genre of music, is the microphone. This is the one device, the one piece of technology that can make or break any single recording session. So, understanding what the microphone is used on and what instruments and fundamental elements that microphones can be used with will naturally greatly help your recordings and production. It will make you far more employable and give you a greater depth of knowledge for their place in creating and capturing music. Just think about all the places where microphones are used and where they're employed. We see them in radio and television broadcasting, live and recorded audio engineering, motion picture production, public address systems, and hearing aids are just a few of the countless examples of microphones being employed in a vast industry where knowing about them will really help you and help you to get these employability skills and basically help you, improve your recording and your production.